Angolan cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, colors, and traditions, shaped by centuries of cultural exchange and the country's rich natural resources. At the heart of Angolan cooking is a blend of indigenous ingredients and techniques, interwoven with influences from Portugal, Brazil, and other parts of Africa. This unique fusion creates dishes that are both comforting and exciting, perfect for sharing with family and friends. One of the staples of Angolan food is funge, a smooth, dough-like porridge made from cassava or corn flour. This simple yet satisfying accompaniment is served with a variety of flavorful stews, like moamba de galinha, a beloved national dish. Moamba de galinha features tender chicken simmered in a rich sauce made from palm oil, garlic, okra, and spicy peppers, creating a deeply savory meal that warms the soul. Seafood also plays a central role, thanks to Angola's extensive Atlantic coastline. Grilled fish, shrimp, and lobster are often marinated with garlic, lemon, and chili, then cooked to perfection over open flames. Kalulu, another cherished dish, showcases dried fish or meat cooked slowly with vegetables like spinach, eggplant, and tomatoes, resulting in a savory and aromatic stew. Beans and rice are everyday staples, often paired with spicy sauces and fresh salads. Street vendors offer quick bites like pastéis, crispy pastries filled with meat or fish, and jinguba torata, which are roasted peanuts seasoned with salt and pepper. No Angolan meal is complete without a touch of sweetness. Cocada amarela, a silky coconut custard, and doce de jinguba, a peanut candy, are popular desserts enjoyed during celebrations and gatherings. Angolan cuisine is more than just food. It's a reflection of history, community, and resilience, inviting everyone to the table to share in its rich and diverse flavors.